Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty of MBA in Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. Today, I have taken one of the subjects of third semester of new MBA course, which is one of the specializations subjects in human resource management. The course code is MMPH 001, Organizational Theory and Design. The syllabus of this course is there in block 5, and one by one I am going to read them out. Block 1, Understanding Organizations. Unit 1 is Approaches to Understanding Organizations. Unit 2 is Theoretical Framework. Unit 3 is Organizational Effectiveness. Block 2, Basics of Organizational Structure. Unit 4, Fundamentals of Organizational Structure. Unit 5, Factors Affecting Organizational Structure. Block 3, Organizational Design. Unit 6, Typology of Organizational Designs. Unit 7, Contemporary Organizational Designs. Block 4, Job Design. Unit 8, Approaches to Job Design. Unit 9, Emerging Trends at Work. And Block 5 is Internal Dynamics. Unit 10 is Role of Organizational Culture in Design. And Unit 11 is Organizational Conflict. And I have taken this current year's assignment in this subject, and I will read those questions that are in the assignments. And here I just want to tell you that the minimum score in the assignment as well as in the first term examination should be, in-term examination should be 40 to get 40 to pass in that particular subject. Therefore, here in assignment, you need to score 40 to get 30% of it is 12, and then you need to score 70 out of 40 out of 100 in the term examination, where 70% of that will be taken as your marks in term examination, and 70% of 40 comes 28, and 12 plus 28 becomes 40. And it is essential that you must get minimum 40 to get through the particular course in these Indira Gandhi National University subjects that are being imparted in all the courses. Now, I will go through the assignments for the current year. What is an organization? Briefly discuss the meaning and characteristics of an organization and describe organization as a system. Then, second one is describe the concept and models of organizational effectiveness. Briefly discuss the ways to evaluate the effectiveness in organizations and how to make them effective with examples. Number 3, what are the factors which influence in changing organizational design? Discuss. Briefly discuss the challenges faced while designing organizations with examples. briefly describe and discuss emerging trends in work organizations, explain how culture plays an important role while designing organizations, give examples. In the next video, I am going to give you the answer for one of the questions that is selected from this assignment, and all the best. Thank you.